Hi, my name's Elena Melgar, and the endangered organism that I will be talking about is the San Joaquin Kit Fox. Scientifically known as Vulpes macrotis mutica, the San Joaquin Kit Fox is a small fox, usually with tan or gray fur and a partially black tail. As you could probably guess by its name, San Joaquin Kit Foxes are found in the San Joaquin Valley, located in California. These animals are best adapted for drier areas such as the desert. The San Joaquin Kit Fox is unfortunately listed among many other organisms as endangered. San Joaquin Kit Foxes have been listed as an endangered species since 1967. The San Joaquin Kit Fox is a tiny animal. These foxes' bodies are approximately 20 inches long and an additional 12 inches longer counting the tail, totaling to 32 inches in length. These animals are also pretty light. An adult San Joaquin Kit Fox weighs in at just about 5 pounds. Like their size, their population has become very small. The Morris Animal Foundation explains there are less than 7,000 San Joaquin Kit Foxes left. In their ecosystem, the San Joaquin Kit Foxes play a prime role as a predator. These foxes help keep smaller prey under control. San Joaquin Kit Foxes live in dens. Since kit foxes have a habit of moving out of their dens, their old dens tend to get taken over by other small animals, providing them with shelter and safety. Kit foxes tend to live in areas with little to no grass or shrubs. This is the kind of habitat that they favor over others. There are many different types of prey they can hunt from in their habitat. The Center for Biological Diversity claims San Joaquin Kit Foxes feast on animals such as small mammals, insects, birds, as well as reptiles. These foxes are quickly losing their habitats due to human intervention. The agricultural development that is taking place in the San Joaquin Valley brings a package of problems with it that critically affects the foxes. Things such as oil exploration and spills, urban and solar facility development, and infrastructure construction are just some of the risks agricultural development brings to the San Joaquin Kit Foxes. Humans aren't the only problems in this situation. Many different diseases are coming for these foxes as well, killing them off. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service states these diseases are known as rabies, canine parvovirus, mange, and canine distemper virus. Other incidents such as vehicle collisions and predatory competition have played a role in the decrease of San Joaquin Kit Foxes. The San Joaquin Kit Fox has skillfully adapted to its environment. Since these foxes live in such dry areas, they have adapted to survive by being able to go long periods of time without having to drink water. This is not the only fascinating adaptation these foxes have made to their environment. Since the desert where they live in the San Joaquin Valley is sandy, they have developed certain features in their paws that help them get by. Big Bear Alpine Zoo states, since these animals move quickly, the pads of their feet are very hairy. This helps them with traction on the sand. When you look at a San Joaquin Kit Fox, you'll notice their big ears. Their ears have the ability to heighten their senses, which helps them to track down their prey easier. Their ears may also help them reduce their body heat, which is very important considering where they live.